Welcome everyone. This is the month 9 video of my MIGA Making the Internet Great Again case study series. Can you believe that it has already been 9 months since I started the site? Because seriously, I cannot. This will basically go down in history as the most focused I may have ever been in my entire life on anything aside from having children, right? And so seriously, 9 months working on one site steadily is, for me, shocking. This is why I cannot wait to show you how it's doing. If you're new to the channel and you don't know what I'm talking about, you don't know anything about this case study series, I would direct you to the link in the description. It has the playlist. Go there, watch all the videos. I don't want to spend 10 minutes going through and detailing every single thing that's happened to get me to this point. This video is for the folks who are following along and have been with me since maybe the beginning or somewhere near the beginning and just want to know, how did it go? So let's talk page views. In September, the site did 61,321 page views, which is almost a 20,000 page view per month increase from month 8, which was only around 41,000. And what I'm throwing up here on the screen really quick is actually the progression month on month for those of you who want to see just how dramatic some of these jumps are. Another special thing happened this month in the middle of month 8, somewhere in the second week, which is the site crossed 50,000 sessions per 30 days, which, as you know, is a threshold for another ad network if I should choose to move the site there, which is also just feels nice, like, you know, check the box. Now let's talk earnings, and this is another metric that's really exciting for me this month. Last month, the site made $549. This month, the site made $867.34. which is a pretty significant month-on-month increase from month 8. So that brings the total earnings for the site to $2,041.49, like ever. Now let's talk expenses, because we have to talk expenses to get to whether or not this is an actually overall a profitable project. And if you follow me at all, either my live streams or my other videos, you know that I've started talking about spending more on this site now that I see that it has some growth, that it has some promise, and I've been more interested, or at least more comfortable in putting money into it. So I was doing the accounting today and discovered that in month 8, I actually put $1,398 into the site, which is almost all content. But this also brings the grand total of the money that I have invested into the site to $5,101.41. And for the most part, all of that was invested in the last 3 months. So you can do the math. I've earned about $2,000, spent about $5,000. So I'm currently in the hole $3,059. And let me look, 92 cents. In month 8, I put up 52 new articles, so that brings the grand total for the number of posts on the site to 338. Now this site is monetized with both Ezoic ads and Amazon Associates, but honestly, the amount of money coming from Amazon Associates this month, while more than before, was still not exciting. It was only $30-some. The rest of the money was ad revenue that came from Ezoic, and the average EPMV was only $14.77, which for me is kind of disappointing considering earlier in the year it was higher. It was much closer to $20. But given that traffic is increasing month on month, I have a lot of hope that in months 10, 11, 12, especially as we get towards the end of Q4, that the earnings will be significantly more. I just have it in the back of my mind that I want to get the site to 100,000 page views per month by the end of the year, and at least $1,000 a month by the end of the year. And I would like to get to that goal of 500 posts. So really, those are the 3 things I'm trying very hard to do right now. If you are regular at the live streams, you also know that I do ask the people who are present at the streams or catch the replay to make a guess about how I did as far as page views and earnings, to actually have an opportunity to win, you know, a free consultation if they want it, like basically just to sit on Zoom or Google Meet and chat at me for an hour or so. And last month, Graham won that, and I hope that he enjoyed it. Enough people threw in their entries. And this month, I actually didn't think that anybody got close enough, but I was reviewing I was reviewing the footage, I was reviewing the comments, and discovered that I think that Marika was close enough. And Marika, who has been in the MIGA group in the spreadsheet and also present at many of the live streams, was like extremely close. Like, she guessed 60,000 page views and she guessed $700. And in my mind, that's truly close enough. There were a lot of people that were almost right on the money or almost right on the traffic, but she was both. I will give an honorable mention to Sue and to Dee, because you both, ladies, you both were very close, and I hope that you will play again. So Marika, send me an email or get a hold of me in the spreadsheet or something. We'll set you up if this is something that you would like to do. All right, for next month, what do I want to see happen in month 10? I hate to sound like a cliche, but I feel like now is the time to pour gas on this fire. Like, just pour it on there. I'm seeing strong growth. I feel like I have a sense for what this website can rank for, and I have a big old stack of keywords to get after. And this site is earning enough where I'm just investing basically everything that's earned back into the site to actually provide me kind of a significant budget every month as far as content. It's one thing when the site is only earning $100 a month and putting that back into content, but when it's $800 a month, like, that's a significant budget to be able to put back into the site, and I'm excited to do it. Part of me would really like to say that month 10 is going to be the month where the site crosses $1,000 a month, but I've been watching RPMs and the ad index and all this stuff going up and down. I'm not sure if it's going to happen in the next month, but traffic, I've just got my fingers crossed that traffic will continue to go up, and hopefully soon I will cross that 100,000 page views a month mark. That's it, folks. I will see you in a month. Let's see if I get there. Take care.